Had some boy, got a little too much in the spoon. He went on to the Lord. And when they asked me about it, I told him, I guess he got what he wanted. And the woman said, that ain't got much compassion in it. And I told her, that's exactly what's fucking wrong with America. The participation trophy, where everybody gets a fucking trophy. And we don't teach our children that winners win and losers lose. Listen, Dr. Harper was a wonderful ear, nose, and throat guy. And when he got Parkinson's and he couldn't handle it no more, he went out there with a gun and blew his brains out over his bird dogs. And I think he's the biggest hero in the world. He'd had enough. And no son bitch said, hey, that's a tragedy or anything else. But we put about $1 billion fucking dollars in warning on dope signs. Hey, you can't do no more dope, this will kill you. And when it happens, we want to act like, hey, it's sad, I get it. But didn't you not see the fucking warning signs on the fucking dope? It's a reality. That's like us. You'll see it in the fucking papers and news. Somebody will be 400 pounds and someone will be telling them how beautiful they are. And what they're doing is setting them up for death. At 400 pounds, you're at critical mass to have a heart attack and die right there. But we're telling them, hey, you're beautiful. Hey, you're lovely. And that ain't even fucking close to the truth. There ain't nothing about 400 pounds that's beautiful. And it sure in hell ain't healthy. But we'll sit there and lie to them for what? So they'll feel better about themselves? That's like the participation trophy, ain't it? Kids just show up and get a trophy. And when they go out in the real world and they got to compete, they get fucking crushed. Here's the fucking reality this Sunday morning. That winners win, losers lose. And it's the fucking tough shit that's the kindness. The truth is the kindness. God bless you from Hot Springs, Arkansas. Fluent fucking English.